Maximalist Expression.
Ooh, there's a big word. What does that even mean?
Bold colors. Mixing textiles. Making it your own. You don't have to have that cookie cutter feel to your home.
Lori, trends for 2024. What are people doing with their homes? What would you say number one is?
Number one, outdoor oasis.
Oh yeah.
I think since COVID, people had to make their own little cocoon.
Couldn't agree more.
They made sensory gardens,
Yeah.
large seating areas,
Yeah.
outdoor kitchens, TVs, whatever made them comfortable. And they didn't have to leave their house.
Yeah, I've got the outdoor TV.
Mm-hmm.
And you know what else I like? I like waterfalls. I like waterfalls.
Sensory.
Yeah. It is sensory.
Mm-hmm.
You're right. That is sensory. Yeah, specifically waterfalls. What else would be sensory? I don't know. But waterfalls, I like waterfalls. But I couldn't agree more, right? People want to go in their backyard and they need that decompressed vibe going. And I do think you're right. COVID is kind of what spurred that.
Mm-hmm.
So now I know as agents, when sellers have that, Chris and I actually have a listing coming up with that. Pool in the backyard. We're going to get a premium price for it because it can create that kind of oasis. So I'm excited about it. All right. What else, Lori? What else? So we got the Oasis as one.
Yep.
And then what's two?
Mixing metals. You have warm metals like brass and a cool metal like chrome.
Okay.
And it creates a visual interest and depth to your home.
Yeah, I couldn't agree more. Brings a ton of depth. What about three?
Maximalist Expression.
Ooh, there's a big word. What does that even mean?
Bold colors. Mixing textiles. Making it your own. You don't have to have that cookie cutter feel to your home.
Yeah, Renee does a great job of that on her short terms, actually. Give her a ton of credit. What would you say number four is?
And I think a very important one that we're doing now is becoming eco-friendly and tech-savvy.
Yeah. So what's an example of that?
Having high energy efficient lighting, using your voice to tell your house what to do, turn off your lights, open your garage door.
Yeah, smart homes, essentially.
Smart homes.
Right? So when you're not home, you don't have to keep it down at, what do you like it in the winter? Or in the summer? What do you put the AC at?
Well, I'm 55.
So it's at what? 55.
30.
30. So Lori's not living by this. She's just suggesting others do it. Got it. Okay. All right. So to recap, all right, we've got outdoor oasis.
Yep.
Something that's got a great vibe in the backyard. And then we're going with mixing our metals to add depth and cool and warmth, right? Three, we're going to do bold colors, multiple textures. There's some really cool colors right now, actually. I'm pretty pumped about them.
Yep.
I think the rooms look pretty cool. Black's one of them, like black.
Black is beautiful.
Yeah, well, black is beautiful. It's a funky looking room, but it can bring some drama. It's good for really bright rooms.
Yes.
And then eco-friendly, so basically the opposite of what you're doing. And then that pretty much covers all of 2024 trends. Was that fair to say?
Fair to say.
Perfect. So if you have any other questions as to what to do to maximize your value on an exit, go ahead and give us a call, because these are the things that we can help consult you through and bring in a consultant as well. Appreciate it. Thank you.